tonight, everyone. It's always a pleasure having you here. Hey, you know what? The best way to get more people to come out, the best marketing we can do is if you had a good time, go out there and tell your friends. If you don't have friends, make some friends. If everybody you know is here because you do improv, go out on the street and tell them, hey, I do improv and I have friends, but they're all back at the Uptown. And we need someone to come watch us do improv.
Nothing else to do in Utica.
Yeah, because there's nothing else to do. And my friends are funny.
Whoa.
And they're going to believe you. And maybe they won't. But if they come here, they will. And so we have to bring them here. And show them who we are. Because when we come here, you and me, us, yeah, it's awesome! So tell your friends, tell your family, even the ones you don't like, even the ones that voted the way you didn't want to vote, especially those ones, bring them here, because we need comedy now more than ever. We need to mend fences and build bridges and paint walls. Maybe some walls need to build, but only ones that have fallen. And also, good fences make good neighbors, but don't keep up with the Joneses. Wait, there's more! Tell the Joneses, tell everyone, say come to the Uptown! Yes, tell them we do improv there and it's fun and it's funny and I know people make fun of improv and say it's dumb, but it's not dumb. It's dumb sometimes.
It's not dumb.
It's not dumb! It's not dumb! It's not dumb! And if you can say that here, if you can say here that it's not dumb, then you can say it out there! And you can go out there in the street, in your car when you're parked at a red light, and just open up your door and take off your seatbelt and get out in the street and say, hey! My name is Devin! And I do improv at the Uptown. But don't say Devin, because that's my name. You use your name.
My name's Devin.
My name's Devin. My name's Devin. My name's Devin. Oh, and everyone, wait, before you walk out of here, before you walk out on me, before you just walk out on me and my life forever, know this. Let it never be said that I didn't come here and say to the people, tell your friends, shout it out loud, ram-a-lam-a-ding-dong, let us come together, bring your friends, bring your family, bring some pizza, it's Friday at the Uptown.